Hey everybody, JD here once again. Welcome back to the channel. Got a short update. Was a little busy this weekend doing some building, did some painting. First things first, I got most of the assemblies of the V12 flathead for my Lincoln. Got the air cleaner painted, got some of it assembled. I got a couple more parts to put on it before I put it in the chassis. I also got the dashboard painted. I don't know if you can see that. Gave it a shot of gloss. I painted it with some, it's not the right exact color, but it was about as close as I could get with some craft paint. I think that's maroon. That's the same color I painted my 1/32 scale Model A couple years ago. I painted the bottom of the Oldsmobile. This is the new version of the Inca Gold. It's just called Gold Lacquer now. Same number, just a different name. Not as fancy a name. I also got the chassis painted gloss black. That's going to look great when I have it like that. I don't know what I'm going to do exactly with. I think I'm going to do the engine in body color, the ice. I think it's lime ice is what the color is called. Got that done. I did some building, did a little bit of painting. That's about all I got done. I need to do some painting before I put the engine in. Paint the exhaust for the bottom of the Lincoln before I put the engine in. Got all that done. Gonna have to. I actually also decided that in case I wanted to display the Lincoln with the top down, I ended up painting the boot or the cover for the top the same color as the interior and the convertible top. It's a Tamiya bright blue with Tamiya flat clear on it. And that's about it so far. They said it's a short video. I did forget to mention last week that I got my my Molotow pens in. I got those last week and I forgot all about them because they're sitting over here off to the side. Oh, excuse me. Hoping to do some more work. I'm going to be gone next Sunday. I'm going to a model train, actually a fairly large model train, the kind you can ride on, down in a town called Reedley, down south of Fresno. My buddy John, who has a YouTube channel called TSG Multimedia, is going to be down there. He went last year and did a video. It looks like it's a lot of fun. Should be a blast. So I will probably not get anything done next weekend because I don't know. It's like 2 hours away from here, and it'll probably be an all-day event. So, also, I am officially going to surrender to the modeling gods. I've given up on my my old AMT Matador that I was building for Jason's Street Machine group build. The body's warped. I've done everything I could think of to get back into shape, and I just was like, well, I don't have the skills right now. I'll just save it. What I've done to it, I'll just save it, and when I'm a little bit better at undeforming a body, I've tried soaking it in hot water. I've tried everything. It just keeps going back to the way it was. So, but I will be joining next year. I will probably maybe build the Roadrunner I picked up last weekend. I'll probably build that. Still have all the parts. The 3D printed wheels I got from Iceman Collections. Probably still use those on the Plymouth. What is it, Roadrunner I bought? Sure. The brain goes when you get old. So that's really it. Short. I'm going to probably call it a night here because I'm tired. Time change really screws up with my sleep schedule. It makes it just hard for me to go to sleep and hard to wake up. But I hope everybody has a great weekend and a great week, and we will talk to you later. Bye-bye.